This remix, never scared, never scared. It's football time. Once again, it's on. So everybody out of your seats and join the intro. And tell them, we ain't never scared. 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 Let's go. Touchdown. It's on. It's an offensive struggle. From now on, my team is a legion that can't be stopped. We gon' go for the goal till we reach the top. This is just the first quarter, can't you feel the crowd? It's football time, can't you feel me now? How many times I'ma tell you my team's the best? We gon' win this game, I love no contest. Yes, football time, once again it's on. So everybody out of your seats and join the intro. And tell them, we ain't never scared. 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 Let's go. The anticipation, what's about to go down. You can feel the vibration from town to town.
Back to the dealership. Me, I'm in my spaceship. That's right, I work for NASA. This FNH is not a fraud. Call that bitch my bodyguard. Call that bitch your bodyguard. Yeah, that's my bodyguard. Wear a lot of jewelry. Young don't do security. What's whiter than a napkin, harder than a dinner plate. If you want it, come and get it. You know I stay super straight. Ran up in my spots, and now I'm working out the Super 8. Know you niggas hungry. Come and get a super plate. Y'all sing happy birthday. Yeah, I got that super cake. 100 carat bracelet. I use it like some super bake. I put on for my city. On for my city. I put on for my city. On for my city. Put on east side. Put on south side. Put on west side. Put on. Let's go. I put on for my city. On for my city. I put on for my city. On for my city. Put on east side. Put on south side. Put on west side. Put on. Let's go. Hat back, top back, ain't nothing but a young thug. HKs, 8Ks, I need to join a gun club. Big wheels, big straps, you know I like it super size. Passengers a red bone, her weave look like some curly fries. Inside fish sticks, outside tartar sauce. Pocket full of celery, imagine what she telling me. Blowing on asparagus, the realest shit I ever smoked. Riding to that trapper die, the realest shit I ever wrote. They know I got that broccoli, so I keep that Glock with me. Don't get caught without one. Coming from where I'm from, call me Jesus Hamilton. Flying down Camelton, so fresh, so clean, on my way to Charlotte. I put on for my city, on for my city. I put on for my city, on for my city. Put on east side, put on south side, put on west side, put on. Let's go. I put on for my city, on for my city. I put on for my city, on for my city. Put on east side, put on. Wednesday.
Struggles to get this knowledge. Now we gonna use it to fatten up our wallets. Childhood beats got you feeling like a hostage. Lyrics be the gun to your head when I popped it. But my mom peoples really don't listen to rap. So when we speak they think we wanna be black. If they listen they will know that we got their backs. But they get ignorant and don't listen to the facts. So open up your ears when you hear me spit, and close your mouths when you talk your shit. My drugs on my rhymes, so take a hit, and I guarantee you will get addicted. And how many times I gotta tell you bastards, it's not the fame but the money that I'm after. In my book this is just the first time to act funny, but these dummies still talking like they know how I came up. I stayed on the grind, put in work and never gave up. Now everybody know who LP is, and my fan base big. Let's St. Paul tournament. Still haters get mad cause my flow so smooth. I'm in the street standing, you can call me Pro Tools. Flow like Ed